Conjunction, opposition, and elongation. Inferior and superior planets. The terms inferior planets and superior planets are used to classify planets based on their positions relative to Earth's orbit around the Sun. Inferior or interior planets, these are planets that orbit closer to the Sun than Earth. There are only two inferior planets, Mercury and Venus. Superior planets, these are planets that orbit farther from the Sun than Earth. The superior planets include Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Conjunction refers to when a planet is in front or behind the Sun as viewed from Earth. A conjunction occurs when any two astronomical objects, such as asteroids, moons, planets, and stars, appear to be close together in the sky, as observed from Earth. Two types of conjunctions. Inferior conjunction, when an inferior planet, Mercury or Venus, aligns between the Earth and the Sun. Superior conjunction, when a planet, either inferior or superior, aligns on the opposite side of the Sun from Earth. A conjunction does not necessarily form a straight line, but they are close together in the sky. During inferior conjunction, when an inferior planet passes between the Earth and the Sun, it can sometimes be seen briefly as a small dark spot moving across the Sun's disk, a transit. Otherwise, it is also difficult to observe due to the Sun's brightness. In superior conjunction, when a planet is behind the Sun, it is typically hidden in the Sun's glare and not visible from Earth. Conjunction of Mercury and Venus, appearing above the Moon, at the Parnell Observatory, March 6, 2008. Photograph depicting the Great Conjunction, taken from Syracuse, Italy, December 22, 2020. The Great Conjunction refers to the rare astronomical event when the planets Jupiter and Saturn appear very close to each other in the night sky. This happens roughly every 20 years due to the orbits of these two gas giants aligning in such a way that they seem to nearly overlap from Earth's perspective. Planetary conjunction on May 1, 2011 over Parnell, Atacama Desert of northern Chile. Three of the ESO Very Large Telescope's 1.8-meter auxiliary telescopes, ATS, are silhouetted in the foreground. Opposition is when a planet is opposite the Earth from the Sun. When a planet is in opposition, it is fully illuminated by the Sun and is generally at its closest approach to Earth. This makes it appear brighter and larger in the sky. In astronomy, elongation, E, refers to the angle between a planet or other celestial body and the Sun as seen from Earth. Primarily, it is a way to describe the position of a planet relative to the Sun in our sky. There are two types of elongation. Eastern elongation, this occurs when the planet is visible in the evening sky, after sunset. The planet appears to be east of the Sun. Western elongation, this occurs when the planet is visible in the morning sky, before sunrise. The planet appears to be west of the sun. The maximum angle of elongation to eastern and western points are called the greatest eastern elongation, GEE, and greatest western elongation, GWE, respectively. Planets like Venus and Mercury, which are closer to the Sun than Earth, are best observed during their greatest elongation, when they appear farthest from the Sun. This is when they're most visible in the early morning or evening sky. In astronomy, quadrature is the term used when two celestial bodies are 90 degrees apart in the sky as seen from a third body, usually Earth. This typically refers to the positions of the Moon or superior planets in relation to the Sun. When a planet is at quadrature, it appears to be half illuminated, like a half-moon, because one half is lit by the Sun, and the other half is in darkness. There are two types of quadrature. Eastern quadrature, when the celestial body is 90 degrees east of the Sun. Western quadrature, when the celestial body is 90 degrees west of the Sun. Perspective view. Conjunction. Inferior conjunction. Superior conjunction. Opposition. Greatest eastern elongation. Greatest western elongation. Eastern quadrature. Western quadrature.